how to fix Apple ID login suspicious activity error. If you wish to fix Apple ID login suspicious activity error, there are a couple of things that you can do in this case. So first of all, if you're getting that mail where you're saying suspicious activity login from Apple or anything like that, instantly you should go and change your password. So you must make sure you have access to the email and phone number of your Apple ID. Then open your browser and go to iforgot.apple.com. I repeat, iforgot.apple.com. When you're here, you can see forgot password, verify your account information to reset your password. So yes, click the reset password button that you can see here. And when you've done that, on the next steps, make sure to enter the email address or phone number associated with your account. And once you've verified and went ahead and tap the continue button, it will send you a verification link on your email, which if you select, you'll be able to set a new password without having to remember your old password. So most likely somebody might be trying to log into your account, so it is better if you change your password instantly in that case. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.